everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my finished jewelry for Adornable Elements, the Bead of the Month Club. The Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements, I received 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2 Whole Beads of the Month. You can use the coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one for each that's $39.95 per month. Now, they have quite a few other Bead of the Month subscriptions to choose from, so if you check out their website below, they have Seed Bead a Month, and now they have, they just have Gemstone of the Month clubs. They have everything. So go and check out their website, and don't forget to use BNJewelry10 to save 10% off on your first order. So I'm showing you, this is the Hot and Trendy one called Eventide Blooms, and the 2 Whole Beads called Bonfire. So we're going to start out with this. This was the tutorial that I made, and I used these. I love these pinch beads. I'm a pinch bead junkie. Don't laugh, but I love pinch beads. Because I love the 3-sided texture of them. So I just took one strand of beading wire, and then I ended up doing this little design in here, kind of like a little geometrical one. I thought that was cool. And then the little drop beads, and just kind of put this together. I will leave the link below to the tutorial if you'd like to see how I made this. It was pretty easy. I wanted to do something that wasn't too difficult, but something you could, follow along with, but something that had a little bit of interest in the front. So I like focal pieces that are like that. And then the next one, now I did use some of the beads from last month and a couple months below too. So I made this bracelet, and it fits really pretty on me. I loved these beads. I think these were from last month, if I'm not mistaken. And these 2 were from this month. So I just sewed this, intertwined it, and put jump ring on there. I used some of my own seed beads and a lobster clasp. And I made this one. Then I'm saving the best for last. Then I made these really cool beaded earrings, and I just put a silver jump ring in there. I used my own seed beads, but I loved all of the other beads that came with this month's box, and I used a jump ring, and then I put my own little seed beads on there. So these are just a nice lightweight pair of earrings that I made. And then last but not least, I love Adornable Elements. Their beads get me to think outside the box. They're not like the regular bead boxes that I get every month. So I get a lot of 2-hole, 3-hole, funky little ones. So I made another lariat with this. I love using these beads to make lariats, because if you see, now I did use my own seed beads, but if you see it, I used the Tilla beads and the Parpuka beads, and I used, like, these were from, I think, last month or a couple months ago. But yeah, I love mixing all of these beads together. They're so much fun. And then I just took 2 of my silver feathers, and I just kind of like took the 2 and stranded them out like that. And then I made, this is just a hole that I used with my seed beads to put it through, so it wraps around the neck a couple times. Yeah, so look at all the texture in this. I love these. I put these up on my Etsy store, and they sell pretty quickly. They're just a really cool piece of jewelry. And you can wear it like wrapped around 3 times or 2 times or 1 time and dangling in the front, or you can like kind of knot it in the front. There's a lot you can do with this. So this is 47 inches long, and it's just one long piece folded over, into 47 inches. So I started with this. So this is where it starts. And then I just do that. And then I start with the 2-hole beads. And then what you do is when you put it on, then you just put that through there if you've never seen a lariat before. So yeah, so I was really happy the way this turned out. I had so much fun. This took me like, I think 3 hours to make. But it was fun. I like to watch reruns of shows while I'm doing it. So yeah, so I did that. Did these. I did this pretty bracelet. I made this for me. I'm going to be going out of town. So, and then this necklace with the fun little piece in front. So yes, I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I made for the month of July from them. And I will be back in August to do an unboxing with them and do a tutorial. And I hope you will join me for that. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing because I have a lot of tutorials. You can go back into my other videos. I think I have like 240 videos now, something like that. You can go back into my other ones and look at those. And I also have all my social media below, my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry. If you want to check those out, you can subscribe to those or follow me. And yeah, so I will see you on my next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.